Ever wondered why they call breakfast the most important meal of the day? It's because it kickstarts your metabolism, which plays a vital role in weight management. Not only that, but a nutrient-packed breakfast can significantly improve your mental performance throughout the day. It's also a delicious way to feed your body with the necessary nutrients it needs to function optimally. And did you know that a healthy breakfast can help curb your hunger for the rest of the day? Well, a healthy breakfast is indeed a great start to a day, but who has the time to prepare it every morning? Meet EatsHomely, a flexible breakfast subscription and delivery app that makes your mornings easier and healthier. This app is your one-stop solution for an effortless and nutritious start to your day. With easy subscription plans, EatsHomely lets you choose from a myriad of healthy breakfast options that cater to every palate. Whether Homely has got you covered. But that's not all. The app also allows you to customize your breakfast according to your dietary needs and preferences. So, whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just watching your calories, EatsHomely ensures that you don't have to compromise on taste or health. And the best part? Your breakfast is delivered right to your doorstep, exactly when you want it, ensuring a hassle-free breakfast experience. EatsHomely not only takes the stress out of your mornings but also ensures you start your day with a nutritious meal. Are you ready to transform your mornings and embark on a healthier lifestyle? With EatsHomely, you can rise and shine to a world of hearty, wholesome breakfast options ready to be delivered straight to your doorstep. The power to choose your breakfast plan lies at your fingertips, making it easier than ever to start your day right. With EatsHomely, you're not just subscribing to a meal plan, you're subscribing to a healthier you. Download EatsHomely today. Your healthy breakfast is just a tap away.